Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of the RankUpturn and what are the user types under RankUpturn, how to set up the institution first, and how to start with the institution admin account, how to start with the teacher account, how to start with the student account, and how to start with the parent account. Now let me start with the benefits of the RankUpturn. The benefits which helps your institution to quickly transform your entire institution data driven, provide all stakeholders a right privilege to find and fix the performance gap in real time, break the dependency on accumulating the real time performance report, make all stakeholders more agile to take clear decision, innovate a user and access management system, keep the institution stay connected to the audience at all time, systematically amplify the personalized learning in real time, provide the new degree of classroom and curriculum automation, reuse the resources, reduce the workload, and save time for all stakeholders, provide real-time insightful performance analytic or trend of your entire institution, break the communication gap between different stakeholders of the institution, provide the exceptional teaching and learning experience at all times, increase the overall responsibility and performance at all levels, more secure, reliable, and policy compliances. Now let us see the user types under the RankUpturn. The first user type is the root user, who initially registers with the RankUpturn to set up the school environment is known as the root user here. The next user type is the institution admin. An institution admin denotes the stakeholders like principals, board members, or any administrative persons who have all the necessary privilege to set up the entire institution. And the next user type is the teacher. The user type teacher denotes any stakeholders who has been successfully added as a teacher under your institution. The teacher is the responsible person to control the flow of content delivery, response collections, and validation, including automation. Under the teacher account, we have like two admins. The first one is the classroom admin, the next one is the curriculum admin. Now let us see like what is classroom admin. The user type classroom admin also denotes the teacher of a classroom who is having special privilege to control the student access to the corresponding classroom available under your institution over RankUpturn. A classroom can have only one classroom admin, but a teacher can be of classroom admin for many classrooms. The teacher from the same classroom can be a classroom admin of that classroom. In other words, the teacher who is not associated with the classroom can be assigned as a classroom admin of that classroom. Now let us see like what is the curriculum admin. Curriculum admin is a special privilege given to the teacher. If a teacher is assigned as a curriculum admin for any subject, the user can have all the privileges to add, assign, modify, maintain, and delete the curriculum learning objectives and connected learning resources. This privilege is enabled for institution admin by default. However, this privilege can be assigned to any teacher based on the subject knowledge. Now let us see the user type student. The user type student denotes the student of any classroom under your institution over RankUpturn. The student will have the access to the corresponding classroom and learning resources once the access credentials are given. And the last user type is a parent user type. The user type parent denotes the parent of any student of any classroom available under your institution over RankUpturn. The parent will have the access to the corresponding student account and learning resources if the access is enabled by the classroom admin. The parent cannot respond to the learning activity but can see what content is being shared, how the kid is performing, and what is the learning gap over the period of time. Now let us see like how to set up the institution first. In general, the collection of classrooms based on the courses or curriculums called as institution. To set up or create the classroom successfully with RankUpturn, you as an institution admin always remember that you have to done the following to have your classroom setup complete. So initially you need to create the classrooms based on the courses. adding the respective students, and assigning the corresponding curriculums to the created classrooms based on the subject, and assigning the teachers based on curriculum or subject. And finally, you need to assign a classroom admin. In other words, it's a classroom in charge. Now let's get started with the institution admin account. So now let me explain you about the primary aim. The primary aims of the institution admin account is to set up the entire institution over RankUpturn, including access control, help other stakeholders, particularly teachers, to save time on repeated tasks, centrally monitoring the performance of entire institution over time to understand the learning needs. The institution account setup, which involves add, assign, modify, maintain, or delete the curriculum, students, teachers, curriculum, learning resources, including access control, content delivery, response collections, validation, and maintaining the records. It helps you to provide all the necessary tools and resources for your institution to start accumulating the critical data from the teachers and students. Also, it helps all your stakeholders like principals, board members, or any administrative persons of the institution to understand how the institution is performing over the period of time and fix the performance gap effectively. Now let me explain you like how to set up the institution admin account. So here you can able to see the admin account. I have already logged into an admin account and the admin name is like Carl Herman. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add a institution admin. So this is the main dashboard of the admin account where you can able to see few modules here. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add an institution admin. Here you can able to see the admins module, right? You can click on the admins module. And inside the admin module here you can able to see like add school admin. I'm just going to click on add school admin. So here you can able to add a school admin here. So for that you have two options. Like if you want to add a new school admin to your institution, in the sense here you have an option for add new admin. And also you can able to assign the existing teacher as an institution admin here. So you have that option also. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add a new school admin here. So I'm just going to click on add new admin. I'm going to add the admin name here. The admin name is like Clara Roman, and the admin email ID, and the admin mobile number. And here you have an option like admin ID and the joining date, which is an optional one. If you have the details, in the sense you can able to enter the details. And now I'm just going to click on the add button. Once I click on the add button, in the sense automatically the admin person will be receiving an email. It's a registration link to their email ID. By clicking on the link, the admin need to register with the RankUpturn account. Only then they can able to access the corresponding admin account. So here, by clicking on add, which prompts you to enter your password here for security reasons. The school admin Clara Roman has been added to your school successfully, and the invitation email has been sent to an given email address. So now here you can able to see the admin whom we have added. No, it shows here under the admin list. And here it shows like in this column not registered, it shows, right? Once this admin has been registered with RankUpturn, in the sense in this column you can able to view the activity log of the admins. And this is the admins page where you can able to see the admins who are working under this institution as an institution admin can able to view it. And also you can able to see in this column like how many classrooms each and every admin has been created. That will be shown here. And also block access of admin and their activity log. Now let us move on to the main dashboard. So now I'm going to show you like how to add grades. So customizing the list of grade is one of the very first thing to do for your institution setup, because the classroom subjects, teachers and the students will be created or assigned based on the grade or course's name only. So here you can able to see like add grades. I'm just going to click on add grades, which prompts you to enter your password here for security reason. So here you can able to see the list of grades which is already existing with the RankUpturn account. Here you can able to view it. And also here you want to customize the grade, in the sense you can click on the edit button. So here you can able to see like add new grades. By clicking on add new grades, here you can able to add new grades for your institution here. And also here you can able to see the existing grade, right? Here you want to make any changes, like for example, for first grade and second grade, you want to make it changes like first standard, second standard in the sense. Here directly like you can click here and you can able to make the changes. And also if you want to add any new courses to an institution in the sense, here you can able to add it. For example, I'm just going to add NEET course for my institution in the sense. I have entered the NEET name. And also if you want to remove any particular grade from your institution list in the sense, and also from the list if you want to remove any particular grade or the courses in the sense, you can click on the remove icon here. So I'm just going to remove J2EE for an sample. So once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on the save button so that automatically the customized grade and the courses which you have added newly will be added, and also the removed grade will be removed from the list of the academic list here. So now you can able to see like how we have added the grades. Now I'm just going to show you like how to add a subject. After adding the grades or the courses list, adding the list of subjects based on the grades or the courses is one of the very important thing to do for your institution setup, because the curriculum and the teachers will be created or assigned based on the corresponding subjects only. So here you can able to see like add subject. So which prompts you to enter your password here for security reason. So here you can able to see for corresponding to each and every grade, you can able to see the subject which is already existing with the RankUpturn account. And if you want to add any new subject or if you want to remove any subject also, you can able to customize it based on your subjects. So now for example, I'm just going to add a new subject for the 6th grade here. So here you can able to see the edit button, right? I'm just going to click on edit button. So here you can able to select add new subject. I'm just going to click on add new subject so that I can able to add the subject. My subject name is like environmental science for 6th grade. I have added. So once you have added a new subject in the sense, you can click on save button. So subject list is updated successfully. Likewise, if you want to remove a subject from the particular grade here in the sense, you can click on the particular grade, and near to the grade here you can able to see like edit button, and also nearby to each and every subject you can able to see the remove icon, right? So for example, I'm just going to remove the environment science which I have added now. So this is how we can able to remove the subject. So once you have removed the subject in sense, you need to save so that subject list will be updated successfully. So this is how you can able to add or remove a new subject from your institution here. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add a classroom. So classroom can be only created by principal or the school admin or the users having the privilege to do so. The classroom consists of students, teachers, curriculum and classroom admin. Before creating the classroom, you should ensure that if the applicable grade or the courses have been added under your institution. If not, I would recommend you to create the grade or courses list first before you start creating the classroom. So here I'm just going to click on add classroom. So now I'm just going to create a classroom for 6th grade, and you need to mention the classroom name here. So I'm just going to create a classroom for 6th grade A section. So here below you can add up to maximum up to 50 students for a particular classroom here. So while adding a student name or their parents number or parents email ID and their registration number, you can able to type the details here, or otherwise if you have the details, if you want to copy paste also, you can able to copy paste the details from other file. And also if you have the details in a file in the sense, you can able to directly upload the file. So make sure like the file format should be in CSV or XLSX, and also it can be in a text file format. So here you can able to see like upload file. So now I'm just going to show you like adding a student's names from my drive. So upload from a file. So from my drive, I'm just going to add it. So here you can able to see I have added the student's name list for 6th grade A section. So I'm just going to click on the next button. So here you can able to see if you want to make any changes, any spelling mistakes is there and you want to correct it, or you have added a student wrongly and you want to delete that student particularly from this classroom. Here in this sense, you can able to delete it by clicking on this edit button. So if you want to make any changes in the sense nearby to the student name or the email ID, if you want to make any changes in the sense, you can click nearby to that particular block and you can able to make the changes. So if you want to delete any student from the classroom in the sense, near to the delete icon, you can click on the delete icon so that that particular student will be deleted from the classroom. And once you have made the changes, you can click on the add button. So here you can able to see the classroom 6th grade A section has been created successfully. So you can click on done, and here you can able to see the classroom which you have created. So 6th grade A section with 20 students, and here you can able to see like 0 teacher and 0 curriculum it shows, right? Because we have created only the classroom with 20 students and you have not yet assigned any teacher or you have not yet assigned the curriculum. And also here near to the classroom you can able to see like assign curriculum, assign teacher, right? So near to that you can able to see the bar which represents in a red color. So once you have assigned the teacher and the curriculum in the sense, you can able to see the changes, like the color will be changed to green color. Now I'm just going to show you like how the classroom, you can able to view the classroom under RankUpturn. So 6th grade A section, here you can able to see this is how you can able to view the classroom here. The student's name and their progress will be shown here and the registration number. And once a classroom has been created in this sense, their username and the password will be automatically generated from the RankUpturn. So here you can able to see their username and the password has been automatically generated. And the activity log of the students will be shown here and the student login will be shown here. Now here below we have like few options which is like add student, block classroom, modify name, delete classroom. So now let us see like one by one how it works. So now I'm just going to show you like how add student works here. So as an institution admin, if you want to add any new student for this particular classroom, in the sense from here itself you can able to add a new student. Already you can able to see for this particular classroom we have added 20 students, right? If you want to add more student in the sense, by using add student you can able to add a student for the institution here. And here you have like block classroom. As an institution admin, you have set up the classroom and the setup of the overall classroom is like still pending and you want to block the access for the student here, and since you can able to block the classroom. So if blocked in the sense, the access for all the students including all the corresponding parent access to this classroom will be blocked, but not the other users of this classroom like teachers. And also as an institution admin, you can able to unblock this classroom to reinitiate or enable the access for both students and the parents of this classroom anytime. So here you can able to see like modify name. So as an institution admin, if you want to modify this classroom name here in the sense, you can click on the edit button. So the classroom name is like A section. You want to change the name like A section to like B section or C section, or you want to change the name, some other name you want to give here also, you can able to change the classroom name. And here we have like delete classroom. So as a institution admin, you want to delete this particular classroom. You have created a dummy classroom and you want to delete the classroom here in this sense. You have like two options, like delete my classroom immediately now or delete my classroom in another 14 days. So based on these two options, you can able to delete the classroom here. So now let us move on to the main dashboard. And we have seen like how to add a classroom, right? And also we have seen like how the classroom looks under the RankUpturn account. Now let me explain you like how to add a teacher. So I'm just going to click on add teacher. So here I'm just going to add a teacher for the institution. The teacher name is like Raise Andres, and the teacher email ID and the teacher mobile number. And here you have an option like teacher ID and their joining date. If you have the details in the sense, you can able to enter the details, which is an optional one here. And I'm just going to click on the add button. Same like admins, it works same for teacher also. So once you click on add button, the teacher will be receiving an email to their email ID, which is an registration link. By clicking on the link, the teacher need to register with the RankUpturn account. Only then they can able to access the corresponding teacher account under their institution. So here you can able to see teacher added successfully, and also below you can able to see the teacher who has been added for the institution will be shown here. Same like the admin, no, here it shows like not registered, right? Once a teacher has registered with the RankUpturn, in the sense you can able to view the activity log of the teacher here. And this is a teacher module where here you can able to see from inside the teacher module also you can able to add a new teacher for your institution here. And also you can able to see the list of teachers who is working under your institution can be viewed here. And also you can able to see like for how many classrooms the teachers has been assigned for. And also for how many classrooms the teacher has been assigned as a classroom admin, that can be viewed here. And in this column you can able to view the block access of the teacher will be viewed. And here you can able to see the activity log of the teacher. So now let us move on to the main dashboard. So we have seen like how to add a classroom and how to add a teacher, right? Now I'm just going to show you like how to add a curriculum under the institution. So I'm just going to click on add curriculum. So here you need to choose like for which grade you are going to create a curriculum. So I'm just going to target on the 6th grade, and the subject is like mathematics. And here you need to mention the curriculum name. My curriculum name is like 6th grade max. And here you can able to see like shared curriculum template. So for the 6th grade mathematics, if any curriculum has been already created from the admin side, in the sense you can able to view the curriculum here. So now it's showing like no curriculum template is available. If it is available, in the sense in this column you can able to view like one curriculum template is available or two template curriculum is available, it will be shown. And now let us create the curriculum. Before creating the curriculum, here you can able to go through the instruction like how to add a learning objective, how to add a block here, and how to add a learning resources. So all the details you can able to see in the instruction column here. And then now we can move on to the customized learning objective list for your curriculum. So here you can able to add blocks based on the each and every block. So you can able to add a curriculum learning objective here. So now I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to add a block title. My first block title is like integers and decimal. So under integers and decimal, I'm just going to add few subtopics, which is a learning objective. Click on add, so that you can able to see I have added a block here. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add one more block. My next block title is like divisors and factors. So now I'm just going to add few subtopics under divisor and factors. And my next block title is like action. So this is the exact syllabus of the 6th grade which I am adding here. And also you can able to add like as many as blocks you want to add, you can able to add that here. Block and telling time. My next block title is like geometry. As I told you before, like how many blocks you want to add, you can able to add that much of blocks here. Measurement and conversion. And the next block title is like algebra. And my last block title is like data handling. So here you can able to see I have added a curriculum. So I have created the curriculum for 6th grade. I have added some few blocks here, and a few blocks like I have added a learning objective for each and every blocks. You can able to view that here. And also nearby to the learning object, here you can able to see the edit button as well as like the delete button, right? So if you want to make any changes, like if you have added a learning objective, is there any spelling mistakes you want to correct it, in a sense you can click on the edit button and you can able to make the changes here. So once you have made the changes here, in the sense you can click on the update button. Same like if you have added any particular learning objective, like mistakenly you have added a learning objective to a different block here, in this sense you can able to easily delete it. So here you can able to see the delete icon, right? For a sample I'm just going to show you like subtracting a decimal number. I just want to delete this subtracting a decimal number from integers and decimal. So I'm just going to click on the delete button. So you can able to see like once you have click on the delete button, in the sense automatically that particular learning objective will be gone to a disable mode. And if you want to remove it permanently here, in the sense you can click on the update button, or else like you have wrongly clicked, in the sense you can click on this box so that you can able to view the particular learning objective that won't be deleted. And if you want to delete it, in the sense you can click on the delete button and you can click on the update button, so that that particular learning objective will be deleted from the particular block here. So once you have made the changes, in the sense you can click on the save button. So here you can able to see like 6th grade mathematics curriculum is updated successfully. You can customize the objective list for this curriculum at any time. Please don't forget to align the learning resources for the objective of this curriculum. So here you can able to see the curriculum which we have been created now. So I'm just going to click on the expand all button so that you can able to see. So here you can able to connect the learning resources for each and every learning objective here, and also you can able to create a template. See, you can able to see till the end. So now I'm just going to show you like how to connect the learning resources for each and every learning objective here. So here you can able to see the edit button, right? You can click on the edit button so that here you can able to see it has been changed to like add learning resources for each and every learning objective it shows here, right? Nearby to the learning objective it shows. So now I'm just going to click on add learning resources. Now I'm just going to connect the learning resources for integers, addition and subtraction. So here you can able to see the types like you can able to add different types of learning resources here, like a lesson type or worksheet or homework or assignment or challenge or practice or test or quiz or mock test, assessment, experiment, calculator, tool, workout, listen, others. So you have like different options. So now I'm just going to add a lesson type of learning resources for integers, addition and subtraction. For adding the learning resources here, you have like few options. You can able to upload it from your drive, and also you can able to upload it from your Google Drive, and also you can able to use Dropbox for uploading, and you can able to insert a URL here for this particular learning resources. If you have any URL, in the sense you can able to insert the URL here. And also here you can able to see the option like RankUpturn. You can click on RankUpturn, in the sense that will be automatically taking you to the library here. And under the library, where you can able to see the based on the grades and the subject, you can able to see the learning resources which is available. You can able to view that here. So any kind of files which can be available based on the particular subject and the grade can be available. So here you can able to see for 6th grade mathematics, you can able to see the folder, right? I'm just going to click on this folder. So inside the folder, you can able to see few files which is like right decimals, inverse and integers, addition and subtraction. So we need a lesson type of learning objective for integer, addition and subtraction, right? I'm just going to insert it. So here you can able to see it's a lesson type of learning resources which we have been added here. So now I'm just going to add a learning resources for simplify the numerical expression. So now I'm just going to use my drive. And here now I'm just going to add the learning resources for rounding the decimal to the nearest whole number. So I'm just going to choose the type as like homework, and also I'm just going to add it from my drive. And for rounding the decimal to nearest 10th, 100 or 1000, I'm just going to add the learning resources here from my drive. So this is how you can able to add the learning resources based on each and every learning objective. You can able to add the learning resources here. So once you have connected the learning resources in the sense, you can click on the save button. So your curriculum 6th grade max has been updated. So here you can able to view the curriculum. So this is the curriculum module where you can able to view the curriculums for which has been created based on each and every subject based on the grades. You can able to view that. So now we can able to see the curriculum which we have created for 6th grade mathematics. I'm just going to click on that. So I'm just going to click on expand all so that you can able to see the connected resources. It shows like 1. So you can click on that connected resources and you can able to click on the type so that you can able to see like what kind of learning resources has been attached. You can able to see that. So I'll show you to you. First simplify the numerical expression. So this is how we can able to view the each and every learning resources here. So now I'm just going to show you like how to create a template. So before that, let us see like what is a template. Template is a learning activity model which is readily available to copy and create the exact or the similar activity. So any learning activity which is created and published as in public mode as a template in the sense will be accessible by the other corresponding teachers available under the same institution, and it helps the teachers to save time significantly. The private templates will be accessible only by the teacher who created it as a template. So here you can able to see the create template. I'm just going to create a template for integer addition and subtraction. I'm just going to click on create template. That will be automatically taking me to the task maker here, and here for the template visibility, so you can able to see like private as well as like public. So if you are going to create a template in a public mode in the sense, the template can be viewed by other teachers in this institution who is taking class for the same corresponding classrooms for 6th grade mathematics can able to view it, and also the admins can able to view this particular template. And if you are going to create a template in a private mode in the sense, that can be only viewed by yourself. Apart from yourself, no other person can able to view it. So now I'm just going to create a template in a public mode for 6th grade mathematics. So here we have like different types for the, we have it like different types of templates we can able to create, majorly like 3 types. One is like automated and semi-automated and the non-automated type. So now let us see one by one. So now let us see like what is automated. Any learning activity schedule ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation by itself is called as an automation type. So under automated type, we have like different types, which is like contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignments. So these are all the types which we have under automated type. By clicking on any one of the automated type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections we have for automated type. Like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for automated type. So now let us see like what is semi-automated. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as semi-automation. Under semi-automated type, we have like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignments. So by clicking on any one of the semi-automation type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections we have for semi-automation. So for semi-automation, we have like voice response, choose the right answer and attach work, choose the right answer with text, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, text with attachment, short answer, essay, attach the work, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for semi-automated type. Now let us see like what is non-automated. Any learning activity schedule requires the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is called as non-automation here. So under non-automated type, you can able to see like survey, events, polls, feedback, others. So these are the types which we have under non-automated type. By clicking on any one of the non-automated type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections we have for non-automated type. Like choose the right option with images, choose the right option with text, true or false, yes or no, rating with text. So these are the response collections options which we have for non-automated type. So now I'm just going to create an template based on automation type. It's kind of quiz. And my question is, so for this I'm just going with the option like choose the right answer. So here below you need to give the options here. So from the below option you need to choose like which one is the right answer here. And for this question like what is the credit score you want to give, you can able to add the credit score here. So for example, for this particular question, if I want to give like 2 credit score for each right answer here in the sense, you can able to add that. Want to add any negative credits in the sense, here you can able to add the negative credits for each wrong answer. Otherwise, you can able to hide the negative credit. And for this automated quiz type, maximum up to 100 questions here you can able to add. So now I'm just going to click on add another question. And the options. So from the below option, you need to choose like which one is the right answer and the same credit score. So now for this question, I'm just going to change the response collection as like yes or no type. So from the below options, you need to choose like whether the answer is yes or no. You need to choose the answer. And for this question, I'm just going with the credit score like 1 right answer, like 1 credit for each right answer. And I'm just going to add one more question. And for this question, I'm just going with the response collection like true or false. So you need to choose the answer. And also I'm just going with the same credit like 1 credit score for each right answer for true or false response collections here. So once you have added the questions in the sense here in the right hand side, you can able to view like how it will be viewed in the student view screen. You can click on the previous questions and you can able to show that. And if you want to save this template as a draft in the sense, you can able to save it. Otherwise, you can able to publish the template. I'm just going to click on the template. So learning activity template has been created successfully. So here you can able to see the template which we have been created for integer addition and subtraction. For quiz of mathematics, you can able to view that under the task maker. Now let us move on to the curriculum page. So we can able to view the curriculum which we have created for 6th grade mathematics. So you can click on that and I'm just going to click on expand all. So that here you can able to see the for integer addition and subtraction we have created the template. For here it shows like connected template which is available 1. You can click on that and you can able to see like what kind of template is available, like what type of template and when it has been created and who has created it. You can able to view the details here. So this is how you can able to create the curriculum also. While creating the curriculum, you can able to connect the learning resources, and also you can able to create a template for a particular curriculum here under the RankUpturn account. So now let us move on to I have shown you how to add a classroom and add a teacher and add a curriculum, right? Now let us see how to assign a teacher for a particular classroom and how to unassign a teacher, and as well as how to assign a curriculum, as well as how to unassign a curriculum. We can see one by one. So from here also you have an option like assign, right? From here also you can able to assign a teacher, and also nearby to the classroom here you can able to see assign curriculum and assign teacher, right? From here also you can able to assign a teacher. So now I'm just going to assign a teacher. So before assigning a teacher, I have already logged into a teacher account. So now let me show you once we have assigned a teacher for a particular classroom, in the sense how it reflects in the teacher account. So see here, I have already logged into a teacher account. I'm just refreshing the page so that you can able to see. The teacher name is Terry Anson. So this teacher is taking class for 9th grade A section. So now I'm just going to assign this teacher for 6th grade so that you can able to see the classroom here. Once the teacher has been assigned for some particular classroom, in the sense you can able to view the classroom here. So I'm just going to assign this teacher for 6th grade A section. I'm just going to assign the teacher. I'm going to assign the teacher Terry Anson for mathematics subject. And here below you can able to select, would you like to assign Terry Anson as classroom admin for 6th grade A section? So you can click on yes. So I'm just going to assign this teacher Terry Anson as a classroom admin for 6th grade A section here. So you can click on assign. So here you can able to see that teacher Terry Anson has been successfully assigned to the classroom 6th grade A section. So now let us move on to the teacher account. I'm just refreshing the page so that you can able to see the classroom which the teacher has been assigned for. Here you can able to see the 6th grade A section the teacher has been assigned. So now I'm just going to assign more teacher for 6th grade A section. I'm going to assign John Arthur for English. So I have already assigned a classroom admin for this particular classroom. So I'm just going to assign John Arthur only as an English subject teacher. And I'm just going to assign one more teacher, Junna William, for the subject science. So here we have assigned the teacher. So now I'm just going to show you how to assign a curriculum. So before assigning a curriculum, so once if for a particular classroom has been created and we have assigned the teacher, in the sense if a curriculum has been not assigned, in the sense how it will be shown under the teacher account. See here, we have assigned the teacher for 6th grade A section, right? The Terry Anson teacher for 6th grade A section. So here it shows no curriculum has been assigned. So you can go inside the classroom. So inside the classroom you can able to view on the curriculum. So here you can able to see for 6th grade A section the curriculum has been not yet assigned. So currently there is no curriculum assigned by your institution admin. Please reach out to the institution admin to assign appropriate curriculum for your classroom. It shows here, right? So now I'm just going to assign a curriculum here for mathematics. The curriculum which we have created 6th grade mathematics. You can able to see that. So the subject curriculum 6th grade maths has been assigned successfully to the classroom 6th grade A section. So now we have assigned the curriculum. So and also for English and science I'm just going to assign the curriculum here. So now I have assigned the curriculum for all the 3 subjects. Now I'm just moving back to the teacher account. So here I'm just going to refresh the page so that you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for the classroom can be viewed here. So now I'm back to the admin account. Now we have seen how to assign a teacher and how to assign a curriculum, right? Now I'm just going to show you how to unassign a teacher and also how to unassign a curriculum. So here you can able to see unassign, right? You can click on the unassign. So here you can able to choose you are going to unassign a teacher or the curriculum. So now I'm just going to show you how to unassign the teacher. So I'm just going to unassign the teacher. The teacher name is like Jonah William. So before unassigning the teacher, you can click on the edit button and make sure the teacher is assigned as a classroom admin for a particular classroom. If the teacher is assigned as a classroom admin for a particular classroom, in the sense you couldn't able to unassign the teacher from the classroom. So you need to change the teacher as a classroom admin. Only then you can able to unassign the teacher from a particular classroom here. So for example, I'm just going to unassign the teacher from 10th grade A section here. So you can able to click on the remove icon here, and so that you can able to see that classroom has been removed from the particular teacher. So now I'm just going to click on update so that the teacher can able to unassign from a particular classroom here. And also likewise you can able to unassign the curriculum also. For example, like I'm just going with 10th grade, and for mathematics I'm just going to unassign the subject. You need to choose like for which grade you are going to unassign the curriculum, for based on which subject and what is the curriculum name. So and also from which classroom section you are going to remove it. So once you have made it, in this sense you can click on the remove button so that the curriculum has been removed from the classroom successfully. So this is how we can able to unassign the curriculum. So now let us get inside the classroom, and we can see like for a particular classroom the setup of the classroom is ready. So we have created the classroom with the students, and also we have assigned the teachers, we have assigned the classroom admin, and also we have assigned the curriculum here. So now I'm just going to show you like what is the special privilege which has been given to the classroom admin. So here inside the classroom you can able to see like as a institution admin you couldn't able to view the password. See, if you want to view the password of the student here, in the sense you can click on the password. So it shows like you don't have enough privilege to view the student password. Only the classroom admin of this classroom can view, modify and share the classroom of students password. Likewise, as an institution admin, you couldn't able to block a single student from a classroom. Like you can able to block the overall classroom, but you can't able to block a single student from a classroom. See here, for example, I'm just going to click here. In the sense, it shows like you don't have enough privilege to block or unblock the student access. Only the classroom admin of this classroom can able to block or unblock the student access. So I'm just going back to the teacher account so that I can able to show you how it works here for 6th grade A section now. So as this teacher, Terry Anson is assigned as a classroom admin for this particular classroom. So near to the teacher name you can able to see the star symbol, right, which represents the classroom admin here. So now I'm just going to show you like as a classroom admin of this particular classroom, you can able to view the password of the student here. So you can able to view the username and their password will be shown. And also as a classroom admin, if you want to block a particular student from a classroom, in the sense near to the student login, you can click on the button here so that like would you like to block Joseph Thomas from accessing this classroom, in the sense once you click on yes, in the sense automatically that particular student will be blocked from the classroom. So this is the special privilege which has been given to the classroom admin. So now I'm just back to the admin account. Now let us move on to the main dashboard. So now I'm just going to show you like how to block a teacher from the institution. So here you can able to see the teachers module, right? I'm just going to click on the teachers module. So inside the teacher module, you can able to see the block access in the 4th column, right? So I have already logged into a teacher account. So I'm just going to show you like once a teacher is blocked from the institution, in the sense how it reflects in the teacher account. So for the Terry Answer teacher, I'm just going to block the teacher from the institution here. So you can able to click on this off button. So would you like to block the access for Terry Answer? Yes. So user access blocked successfully. Near to the teacher name, you can able to see this bar represents in a red color. So now I'm just going to move back to the teacher account and I'm just refreshing the page. So here you can able to see that your session has been expired, it shows. And also if a teacher tries to log in the sense, here it will be showing like so here it shows like your RankUpturn access is blocked. Please contact your school admin. So now I'm just going to enter the username and the password. So now I'm just going back to the admin account. So I'm just going to unblock the teacher from the institution, the teacher Terry Hansen. So do you want to unblock the access for Terry Hansen? Yes. So user access unblocked successfully. So once you have unblocked the teacher in the sense, the teacher can able to access the corresponding teacher account under the institution here. So now I'm just going to log in. See, the teacher can able to access the corresponding teacher account under their institution here. So this is how the block and the unblock works under the institution account. Same like as an institution admin, if you want to block another admin from the institution in the sense, you can able to block it. See, I'm just going to show you. So you can click on the admins module. Here you can able to see the list of admins who has been assigned for this particular institution. So here you can able to see the block access in the third column. So if you want to block a particular admin in the sense near to the block access node, near to that particular admin whom you want to block, you can click on the off button. Do you want to block the access for Jonah William? Yes. So same like how it works for the teacher, no? Same like it works for the particular admin also. Once you click on yes in the sense, automatically that particular admin will be blocked from the institution. Once you unblock the admin from the institution in the sense, the admin can able to access the admin account here. So now let us move on to the main dashboard. So as an institution admin, you have already seen like how to block a classroom from inside the classroom, right? Now here in the main dashboard, you can able to see nearby to each and every classroom, you can able to see like block classroom. So from here also you can click on the block classroom and you can able to block a particular classroom here. So now I'm just going to show you like what is the uses of the library here. So the library module helps the users to upload the files and collaborate with the users or use in creating different learning activities with RankUpturn services. So library is a place like where you can able to upload any files. If you want to create any folders in the sense, here you can able to create the folders based on the subjects and the grades. If you want to add any learning resources which is available for based on the grades in the sense, based on the subjects also you can able to create it here. For example, here you can able to see few folders which has been created based on the title like 7th grade mathematics, 6th grade mathematics, 6th mathematics, you can able to see that. And also here you can able to see the files which is already uploaded from the other institution person. So now I'm just going to click on a particular folder here. So on this folder like 6th grade mathematics, you can able to see the files here. And also nearby to the particular file, you can able to see these 3 dots. You can click on that and you can able to edit the particular file. And also here you want to change the name of the file in the sense you can able to edit the file name. And also you can able to open the file and you can able to view like what kind of file it is. For uploading the files here you have like 2 options. Like once you are uploading the file in the sense, automatically it will be in a public mode only. So if you want to change the mode of the file to be private in the sense, here you can able to change. So like if you want to create any folder, like if you want to upload the folder or file in a public mode in the sense, that file can be utilized by all the teachers and the admins of the institutions can able to use it. So if you're going with a private option in the sense, the folder or the file which you have created can be visible and accessible only by yourself. So now let us move on to the messages module. So as an institution admin, you can able to chat with all the teachers under the institution. And also if you have assigned as any teacher for a particular classroom in the sense, here you can able to chat with all the students under the institution here. individually as well as in a group. You can able to chat with the students here. So now here we have like message center. You can click on the message center, where here you can able to see the announcements which has been sent from the institution admin side. You can able to see the announcements here. You can click on the announcement and you can able to create any announcement based on the targeted group. Like as an institution admin, you want to send any important announcement to the overall school, or only to the admins, or only to the teachers, or only to the students, or only to the parents. So based on the targeted group, you can able to send the announcements. So for example, I want to send any particular announcement to the school. In the sense, I'll be adding the title here and also the description. So if you want to add any attachment also, you can able to attach the file. Maximum size of the file should be like 100 MB. You can able to add the details, and here you have like important thing which is like sticky. Like if you're going to send any important announcement and you want that particular announcement to be popping up in the top for particular 2 days or 3 days, in the sense based on the sticky, you can able to give that particular days here. So for example, I'm just going with 3 days, in the sense that important announcement will be tagged in the user messages center till particular date here. For example, like whatever the announcement sent on that particular 3 days, this announcement will be tagged in the top. So now let us move on to the calendar module. So this is an academic calendar which can be created only by the institution admin based on the targeted group here. And also as an institution admin, you can able to create a calendar entry in a private mode, so which can be visible only to you. So by doing this, you can able to maintain your private calendar entry along with the academic calendar, so that you can able to plan your professional and the personal events more easily. So now let us move on to the notes module. So here you can able to see under the notes module, you can able to create a personal notes. You can able to add new notes, in the sense you can able to add notes, and also you can able to delete the notes here. So whatever the notes which you are going to create can be visible only to you alone. And now let us move on to the interesting topic, which is like task maker. So task maker helps the teachers to save their time on the repeated task here. So for example, here you can able to see I have created a task template right under the task maker. So for integer addition and subtraction for 6th grade mathematics, this template can be used by the other teachers who is taking class for 6th grade mathematics, can able to use this template for their particular classrooms. So by connecting and collaborating with the right learning resources as an institution admin, you can able to help your teacher users to save their precious time spending on repeated tasks. So it helps to free up more time, like maximum up to 90% of the teacher's time will be saved here, so that the teacher can able to utilize the time to spend more time with the students to help them to perform better. Now let us move on to the interesting topic, which is like progress. So for monitoring the entire institution performance report, this progress will be very useful for the institution admin. So as an institution admin, here you can able to measure the individual student progress, you can able to measure the individual teachers progress, and their performance can be viewed here. And also you can able to measure the overall classroom progress, and also each individual student progress can able to view here. And also you can able to measure the overall institution progress can also be viewed here. So now let me show you like how it works. So inside the progress module, here you can able to see the syllabus covered like 12.83%, right? This is the overall syllabus covered by the teacher in the institution is like 12.83%, it shows here. And also what is the overall progress covered by the students in this particular institution is like 62.5%. And also nearby to each and every grade, here you can able to see the syllabus covered and the what is the overall progress of the students can be viewed here. So by clicking on a particular classroom, you can able to see inside the classroom 7th grade B section. So here you can able to see for this particular classroom, the syllabus covered by the teacher in this classroom is like 14%, and also overall progress of the students in this classroom is like 58%. And also as an institution admin, you can able to view the progress of each and every students in this particular classroom. And also you can able to click on their particular percentage, and you can able to view their percentage progress here. So based on each and every learning objective, you can able to view their progress. So for this particular student Samuel David, no, you can able to see On integer subtraction, he has scored like only 70 percentage, and comparatively to integer multiplication and integer division, so he has scored somewhat a high score in integer subtraction. So integer multiplication and division, he has scored like 40 percentage nearly. So you can click on that particular progress percentage and you can able to see like what kind of activity has been assigned and when it has been assigned. You can able to view the details here. And also the progress will be calculated based on the recent 3 activities only. You can able to view the details here. So as an institution admin, if the progress of the student is like below a 75 percentage in the sense, or like if it is not up to the satisfactory level in the sense, that may require to focus more. Like on that particular topic, the teacher need to focus more here. So by referring the progress score, you can able to clearly understand how well the student has observed the teacher's teaching here. And also as an institution admin, you can move on to the feed column and you can able to view like what kind of activity has been assigned for this particular classroom. You can able to view all the activities. So we came end of the institution admin account here. So this is how an institution admin can set up the entire institution over RankUpturn, including access control, help other stakeholders, particularly teachers, to save time on repeated tasks, centrally monitoring the performance of the entire institution over time to understand the learning needs. So now let's get started with the teacher account. So I have already logged into a teacher account. The teacher name is like Terry Anson. Now let us see the primary aim of the teacher account. The primary aim of the teacher account is to understand the classroom of students' needs collectively and individually, prepare and optimize the content delivery based on strengths and weaknesses, automate the content delivery response collections and validation, fill the learning gap in real time, reuse the resources, reduce the workload and free up more time, centrally monitoring the entire performance of the classroom, maximize the communication and stay connected to the classroom at always, collaborate with peers to increase their own performance, provide the exceptional teaching and learning experience at all times, make all communication more secure, reliable and policy compliances. Now let's get started with the teacher account. So here you can able to see the classrooms which has been assigned for the particular teacher here, and also you can click on the desired classroom. So inside the classroom you can able to view like as a teacher you can able to view the classrooms like how many students has been assigned and whether the curriculum has been assigned or not. You can able to see the details here. So like here you can able to see the teacher versus curriculum summary can be shown. So now I'm just going to show you like how to schedule the learning activity to the classroom of students. So for that I'm just moving on to the curriculum module here. So here you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for this particular classroom, 6th grade A section for the subject mathematics. So here you can able to see like it shows like schedule activity, right? So for this particular curriculum, the template has been created from the admin account. So we have created a template from the admin account, right? For that template, if you want to schedule that template as an activity for this classroom in the sense, here you can able to schedule it. You can click on that schedule activity and you can able to see like what kind of activity is available. So it's kind of activity type, it's kind of quiz type, and it is dated on like 21st of December and it's created by Carl Herman. So you can click on that particular activity type and can click on next button so that you can able to schedule this activity to the classroom here. So I'm just going to mention today's date. And here is the timing. Timing is an optional one. As a teacher, if you want to schedule any activity to the students on a particular timing like 1 hour or 2 hours in the sense, you can go with the timings. Otherwise, it's an optional one. So for publishing the template here, you have like 2 options like publish now and publish later. So if you're going with publish now in the sense, the activity which you're going to schedule will be visible to the student immediately. And if you're going with publish later in the sense, here you need to provide like what is the later on in the sense on which particular date you want this activity need to be published. For example, I'm just going with a date like January 23rd, I want this activity need to be published to the student in the sense I can give on that particular date. so that this activity will be published to the students on January 23rd. Whether the teacher is available or not, this activity will be published to the student automatically. So now I'm just going to schedule an activity based on publish now option, and I'm just going to click on the schedule button. So activity scheduled successfully. So now I'm just going to show you like how to create an activity here. So before that, let us see like what is an activity. The activity or a learning activity is a resource which can be anything. It can be a lesson or homework or assignment or assessment, etc. that helps the students to understand the subject matter and or help the teachers to measure the students' performance based on the subject matter. By creating and scheduling the learning activity, teachers can ensure the content delivery, response collections, and validation to understand the learning gaps. So now I'm just going to create an activity for simplify the numerical integer expression. So once you click on create activity, in the sense that will be automatically taking you to the task maker here. For 6th grade, subject is like mathematics. So here we have like major types, which is like automated, semi-automated, and the non-automated type, where we have seen about all these type of types under that while we are creating the template, right? So like automation is a learning activity. If scheduled, ensure the content delivery, response collections, and validation by itself is called as a automation. So under automation, we have seen few types like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignments. And also we have seen like what is semi-automation. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as a semi-automation. So under semi-automation, we have like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignments. And we have seen like what is non-automated. A learning activity, if schedule, requires the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is called as non-automation here. So under the non-automated type, we have like survey, event, poll, feedbacks, others. So now I'm just going to create an activity for automated type. It's kind of a challenge. For this, I'm just going with the response collection. Yes or no type. So you need to choose like whether the answer is yes or no here. And for this question, for each question, I'm just going with the 2 credit score for each right answer here. And also you can able to add the negative credit score for each wrong answer. If you want to add any negative credit score in the sense, here you can able to add it. Otherwise, you can able to hide the negative credit score. And for this automated activity type, challenge type, no, you can able to add maximum up to 200 questions here. So now I'm just going to add the next question. So you need to choose the answer here and the next question. So you need to choose the answer here and the next question. Then we choose the answer. The next question. So this is how we can able to add maximum up to 200 questions here. So here in the right hand side, you can able to view like how it will be viewed to the student screen. So you can click on the previous questions. And for this activity, you want to save this activity to your draft also, you can able to save it. Otherwise, you can able to create and schedule it. So I'm just going to click on create and schedule it. So now I'm just going to schedule it for today's date. And also I'm just going to give the end date is like tomorrow's date. And timing is an optional one, which I have already told you. And for publish now and publish later, I'm just going with the option publish now. I'm just going to schedule the activity here. So your activity is scheduled successfully. You can click on that. And also under the task maker, you can able to view the activity which we have been created now, and we have scheduled it. You can able to view that activity here. And also you can able to move on to the feed column, and here you can able to see the activity which has been assigned for this particular classroom can be viewed here. So here it shows like due on tomorrow. and it shows like due on 11 hours. And also you can click on the particular activity and you can able to see once the student has responded in the sense. As a teacher, here you can able to view the classroom statistics. The overall classroom statistics can be viewed. So once all the student in this particular classroom has been responded to this particular activity in the sense, here the teacher can able to view like who has scored the highest score and who has scored the lowest score, and what is the average percentage, the fastest time, the slowest time, and what is the average time has been taken to complete this activity. Everything can be viewed by the teacher once immediately all the student has been responded in the sense. Automatically the teacher can able to view the overall classroom statistics here. So under the feed column here, as a teacher, you are assigned as a classroom admin. So you can able to view the classroom progress, like what is your classroom progress in all the subjects can be viewed here. And also if there is any upcoming activities, in the sense that upcoming activities will be shown here in the header way. And now let us see like what is instant activity. Instant activity is an additional tool to convert your ideas and materials to the learning activity of your curriculum. In general, you can create and share any information instantly to your classroom in addition to the learning activity and materials connected to the curriculum. In the sense, you can use the instant activity here. And here we have like three options, which is like published, published later, and offline activity. If any activity has been published, in the sense, you can able to view that activity under published column. And if any activity has been created and scheduled based on like published later with some particular date, here in the sense, you can able to view that published later activities here. And here we have like offline activity. So in the traditional classrooms, teachers will be conducting some examinations and the test, right? For that, if a teacher want to upload the offline score, here in the sense, we have an option here like upload offline activity score. So in that, if a teacher has been uploaded the offline activity score, in the sense, that kind of offline activities will be shown under the offline activity here. So now let us move on to the inside the classroom. So inside the classroom here, you can able to see like upload offline score, right? So now I'm just going to show you like how to upload the offline score. So here you need to choose like for 6th grade A section, the subject is like mathematics and the curriculum is like 6th grade mathematics. For this, the teacher has conducted an examination. For the total credit score is like 100 credit score, and which is dated on November 28th. And timing is an optional one. So if you want to mention the timing, in the sense, you can able to mention that here. So for which learning objective the examination has been conducted, you can able to view that here. For integer addition and subtraction. So here you can able to see the student's name list and their username and their register number will be shown here. And also here you can able to see like attended. If a student has attended, in the sense, you can able to make it as yes. And if a student is absent on that particular examination, in the sense, you can click here and you can able to make it as no. So once the student has not attended and you have make it as no, in the sense, automatically you can able to see the observe credit and the attachment file has been gone to a disable mode. So now I'm just going to add the credit score for each and every student here. So here I have added the scores of the students here, and also as a teacher, if you have any attachment file for this particular examination, in the sense, here you can able to attach the file here. And now I'm just going to upload the offline score. So once you click on the upload, in the sense, from that particular day, like if you want to make any changes, in the sense, you can able to make the changes within 7 days, and also maximum up to 3 times only you can able to make the changes here. So I'm just going to upload the offline score here. So the credit score for examination for 6th grade max curriculum of your classroom 6th grade A section has been uploaded successfully. You can refer the details in the link against the curriculum objective under the progress tab with RankUpturn. So here I'm just going to close it. So for this particular upload offline score activity, as a teacher here you can able to see the what is the overall activity statistics for this particular activity can be viewed here as a teacher. So like what is the highest score and who has scored the lowest score and what is the average percentage for this activity in this classroom can be viewed here. And also like how many student has been responded and like what is the engagement of the students can be viewed here. So now let us move on to the classroom and inside the classroom. So now we have like uploaded the offline score, right? So that you can able to see the inside the progress column, you can able to view the students progress can be viewed here. And also nearby to the student like who has scored average percentage, no, who has scored an average and the below average can be shown here. So you can click on a particular student's progress and you can able to view like on which particular learning objective he has scored that percentage. So for integer addition and subtraction, lowest Joe has scored like 43%. You can click on that 43% progress and you can able to see like what kind of activity has been assigned. So it's a kind of offline activity, kind of examination. For that, the student has scored like 43%. And the progress will be calculated based on the recent activities. So now here below like we have like few options which is like daily report, announcements, enable parent login and all. So now let us see like one by one how it works. So now let me explain you like what is daily report. So daily report is the information sent by the subject teacher to the parent to briefly describe like what has been covered or what are the activities happened for a subject in a particular day, or teachers can send the daily report and found the daily report history from the message center of the message dashboard. So the daily reports will be immediately listed in the RankUpturn parent app under message center of message dashboard. So it will also be sent on the parent email address if provided. So here you can able to see for 6th grade mathematics, this teacher want to send any daily report in the sense by adding the subject and the messages here, the teacher can able to send it. So if the teacher want to add any attachment here in the sense, the teacher can able to add the attachment. The size of the attachment should be like 100 MB. And also if a teacher is going to send a daily report in the sense before 7 PM, the teacher can able to send the daily report here. And here we have like announcement bar where we have already seen about the announcement in the admin account itself, right? So as a teacher can able to send the announcement to this particular classroom. The teacher want to send any important announcement in this, the teacher can able to send the announcement by adding the title and the description. And here also the teacher can able to add the attachment. The size of the attachment should be like 100 MB. And here we have the interesting part which is like sticky. So for any important announcement, you can use the sticky, so that particular till the sticky date which you have mentioned, no, till that particular date, this announcement will be popping up in the top. Whether you have sent any other announcement after that also, this announcement will be popping up in the top for that particular days. So here we have like enable parent login. As a teacher, if you want to enable the parent login access for all the parents in this in the classroom students in the sense, here you can able to enable the parent login access. And also as a teacher, if you want to enable the parent login access for a particular student here in the sense, so near to the parent login, no, here for a particular student like James 12, if a teacher want to enable the parent login here in the sense, like would you like to unblock James 12's parent to allow access to this classroom in the sense, you can click on yes. So that automatically that parent login will be enabled here. So here it shows like parent login has been enabled successfully. And now we can see like what is consent form. Students below the age of 18 are not allowed to use the internet. For that reason, the teachers will be sending this consent form to the parents and getting their consent for using the RankUpturn as an online platform for their students' education here. And here we have like reset password. So for as a teacher, if you want to reset the password of a single student here in the classroom in the sense, you can click on the password and here you have an option like change, so that you can able to automatically change the password of a single student in a classroom. And also as a teacher, if you want to reset the password of the all the students in this classroom in the sense, here you can able to reset the password, so that you can able to reset the password for all the students in this classroom. And also as a teacher, if you want to download this as an accessible file in the sense, also you can able to download this. And here we have an option like live classroom. So as a teacher, if you want to conduct a live class for this particular students in this classroom listens through a video or audio format, you can able to conduct the live classroom here. So if you are choosing audio in the sense, you can able to see here. So this is how it shows. Once the student has started connecting with this call in the sense, the teacher can able to view the details. Now I'm just moving back to the classroom page. So now let us move on to the progress module. So here inside the progress module, you can able to see the progress of each and every students. So you can click on the desired student percentage score list. The performance statistics against each and every learning objective of the curriculum being taught has been shown here. And by referring the progress score, you can able to clearly understand how well the student has observed the teacher's teaching. And also if a progress score is which is below 75% or not up to the satisfactory level in the sense, you may require to be focused more on this particular topic. To increase the progress as a subject teacher, you may require to prepare and collaborate with the appropriate content to help the students to excel further in learning for the learning objective for which a student is not performing well. So for measuring the learning gap of entire classroom of the students, here you can able to click on the topics. So here you can able to see the list of curriculum objective of the desired subject and check the progress of the classroom against each and every curriculum. So by referring the progress score, you can able to clearly understand how well the teacher's teaching has been reached to the classroom of students. So you can click on the progress and you can able to view the students' progress here. And also as a teacher, you can able to reschedule the activity. So by clicking on this student has scored only 43% and the student has scored very poor 26%. And also the teacher needs to make concentrate of that particular student in the sense here for this particular topic alone, the teacher want to reschedule the activity for a single student also, the teacher can able to reschedule the activity. And also if the percentage of the overall this particular learning objective is low in the sense, if a teacher want to reschedule the activity for a overall classroom also, teacher can able to reschedule the activity here. Now let us move on to the library module. So as a teacher, here you can able to view the folders which is already created by other admin person has been created that can be viewed by here. And also as a teacher, you can able to create a folder based on the subjects and the grades, and also you can able to upload the files based on that particular subject. So for uploading the file and as well as creating the folder, you have two options. If you're going to create a folder and uploading the file in a public mode in the sense, that can be viewed by all the teachers as well as the institution admin can able to view it. And if you're going to create a file and folder in a private mode in the sense, that can be viewed only by yourself. So now let us move on to the messages module. So as a teacher, you can able to chat with other teachers in the institution here individually as well as in a group. And also you can able to chat with the students for 9th grade A section, for 6th grade A section you are taking class, right? For this 2 classroom students, you can able to chat with the students here individually as well as in a group also. And here we have a message center. As a teacher, you can able to send the announcement and the daily reports from inside the message center also here. So we have already seen about the announcement and the daily report from inside the classroom, right? Now let us move on to the calendar module. So this is an academic calendar which has been created by the institution admin. And as a teacher, here you can able to create a private calendar entry can be created here by adding the subject and the notes. You can able to create the private calendar entry. By doing this, you can able to maintain your private calendar entry and also with the academic calendar, so that you can able to plan your professional as well as your personal events more easily. And now let us move on to the notes module. So here notes is a personal notes where you can able to create a personal note which can be visible only to you alone. You can able to add new notes in the sense, you can able to add the notes as well as you can able to delete the notes also here. So now we came end of the teacher account. So this is how a teacher can able to optimize the content delivery, maximize the connectivity, automation, response collections, validation, and maintaining the classroom statistical records to clearly understand and fill the student needs in real time. So here we came end of the teacher account. So this is how a teacher can optimize the content delivery, maximize the connectivity, automation, response collections, validation, and maintaining the classroom statistical records to clearly understand and fill the students' need and learning real time. Now let us move on to the student account. So here for this particular classroom, I'm just going to log into a particular student account here. So here you can able to add the username and the student password. So that you can able to log into a student account. The student name is like James Charles. So this is the main dashboard of the student account. Now let us see the primary aim of the student account. The primary aim of the student account is to help the students to clearly understand their own strengths and weaknesses in learning, maximize the connectivity to the students and teachers, have the learning resources available very handy, keep them focusing on learning needs to fill the learning gap. So now here you can able to see inside the student account, you can able to see the activity which has been assigned to the student can be viewed here, and also the student offline activity score will be viewed here. So here near to this activity here you can able to see like it's due on tomorrow, and also it's yet to be attended by this particular student, and also for this activity it shows like same like due on 11 hours like yet to be attended. So now I'm just going to show you like by clicking on the start button, I'm just going to show you like how to attend an activity as a student. So you can click on the start button and you can able to attend the activity here. So are you sure you want to submit the answers? Yes. So your responses has been submitted successfully. So now I'm just moving back to the main dashboard. So now I'm just going to attend the one more activity which we have been scheduled now, that I'm just going to attend it. So are you sure you want to submit the answers? Yes. Your response has been submitted successfully. So now can move on to the main dashboard, where here you can able to see once the student has completed the activity, in the sense here it shows like completed on December 21st, 2022, and the time taken to complete this activity is like 24 seconds, and the result is yet to be announced. Same like the below activity which is like completed on December 21st. The time taken for this activity is like 17 seconds and the result is yet to be announced. So once the student has responded to the activity, in the sense, let us see like how it reflects in the teacher account. And just moving back to the teacher account. So inside the feed column, as a teacher, you can able to view the click on the activity and you can able to view the response of the student. So here it shows like James Charles response. So as a teacher, you can click on the next questions and you can able to see like for how many questions the student has given a right answer and the wrong answers can be viewed here. And also here, as I told you before, as a teacher you can able to view the classroom statistics. So only one student has been responded, so that you can able to see the responses of the single student here. Once all the student in this classroom has been responded, in the sense the teacher can able to view the overall classroom statistics for this particular activity. So now let us move on to the student account. So as a student here you can able to see the what is the overall classroom progress based on each and every subject, and also like what is your own progress in all the subjects can be viewed here, so that you can able to easily compare your percentage and the progress based on the overall classroom progress, and you can able to see your strength and weaknesses. And also if there is any upcoming activity in the sense that will be shown here in the header way. Now let us move on to the curriculum module. As a student here you can able to see the curriculum which has been assigned for you based on each and every subjects can be viewed here. For mathematics, for English, and for science. So here you can able to see for the mathematics, no, you can able to see like for integer addition and subtraction, he has scored only 45%. Comparatively to simplify the numerical expression, he has scored like 80%. So as a student, you can able to check like on which particular topic you are strong, on which particular topic you are weak, so that you can able to concentrate on that particular topic to perform better here. So and also here you can able to see the learning resources which has been attached for this particular curriculum has been seen by the student here. So you can click on this particular learning resources and you can able to see like what kind of learning resources has been attached. So for simplify the numerical expression, here you can able to see the connected learning resources. For rounding the decimals to the nearest whole number, here you can able to see the connected learning resources. So this is how you can able to view the connected learning resources for each and every learning objective which has been connected with the curriculum can be viewed by the student here. So now let us move on to the messages module. As a student, you can able to chat with the teachers who has been assigned for your particular classroom. You can able to chat with the teachers here individually, as well as in a group also you can able to chat with the teacher. Like if a teacher want to share any particular important information or any information if the teacher is sharing in a group chat, in the sense you can able to respond to the teacher. So but as a student you couldn't able to chat with the other student in this particular classroom here individually. So where here you can able to see the announcement bar. Here you can able to see the announcement which has been sent from the institutions as well as from the teachers. The announcement has been shared in the sense here you can able to view. And also here in the right hand side you can able to view the who is the targeted group. So this announcement has been targeted the student and this announcement has been targeted the overall school. Now let us move on to the calendar entry. This is an academic calendar, so which can be created only from the institution admin side. So here you can able to see like add calendar entry. As a student you can able to create the calendar entry in a private mode. So by doing this you can able to maintain your own private calendar entry along with the academic calendar entry, so that you can able to maintain your personal events as well as with the school events here. So here you can able to see the notes module. I'm just moving on to the notes module. As a student here you can able to see the personal notes which can be visible only to you. So you can able to create the personal notes where you can able to add new notes, in the sense if you want to add more notes also you can able to add the personal notes, where here you can able to maintain your personal notes and also you can able to delete the personal notes here. So now we came end of the student account. This is how a student can clearly understand their own strengths and weaknesses in learning, maximize the connectivity to get help from others, and fill the learning gap at the right time before it's taking up. Now let us move on to the parent account. So before moving on to the parent account, so I'm just back to the teacher account. So you can click on the desired classroom, and inside the classroom, so for which particular student's parent account you want to access, you can able to check that whether the parent access has been enabled or not. So for James Charles parent, you can able to see the parent login is enabled. So now I'm just going to show you like how to log in as a parent here. So here you need to choose the parent's email ID, and now I'm just going to show you how to log in as a parent. So I'm just going to log out of the student account. So here in the login page, you can able to see like parent login, right? You can click on that parent login, and how you're going to log in. You're going to log in using their email ID, or you're going to log in using their mobile number. So I'm just going with the email ID. So the login, I'm just going to log in with the OTP here. So you need to enter your OTP so that you can able to log in as a parent. So here you can able to see I have login as a parent. So parent of James Charles, it shows here. So this is the main dashboard of the parent account. So now let us see like the primary aim of the parent account. The primary aim of the parent account is to help the parents to clearly understand their kids' strengths and weaknesses in learning, plan and prepare their kid for what's ahead in curriculum learning, maximize the connectivity to the teachers and institution, take the necessary actions to fill the learning gaps. So here as a parent, you can able to view the activity which has been assigned to your kid, and also you can able to see once your kid has been respond to that activity, in the sense you can able to check here like what kind of activity has been assigned for your kid can be viewed. And also you can able to view what is the classroom progress in a particular subject, and also what is your own kids performance and their progress in each and every subject can be viewed here. And also if a teacher is assigning any activity, in the sense if there is any upcoming activities, in the sense as a parent here you can able to see the what is the upcoming activity for your kid that is available. You can able to view that here. You can able to view the activity alone, but you can't able to respond to that particular activity here as a parent. And now let us move on to the curriculum module. So as a parent here you can able to view the curriculum which has been assigned for your kid, and also you can able to click on the particular learning resources, and you can able to see like what kind of learning resources has been assigned for your kid for each and every learning objective, so that you can able to make your kid to read the particular learning resources. So that will be very helpful as a parent here. And also you can able to view your own kids performance here on each and individual learning objective. You can able to view your kids performance here. So for integer addition and subtraction, your kid has scored only 45%, and comparatively for simplify the numerical expression, your kid has scored like 80%. So comparatively it is like very less for integer addition and subtraction. So your kid need to concentrate more on this particular topic, integer addition and subtraction, to perform better. And also as a parent of a kid here you can able to see like what is the syllabus covered in this particular classroom has been. You can able to view that, and like what is the overall progress of your kid here can be viewed here. So you can able to view the curriculum based on each and every subjects can be. You can able to view the curriculum which has been assigned for your kid. And also you can move on to the messages module, where here you can able to see the daily reports which has been sent from the teacher side. You can able to view the daily reports here, and also if any announcement has been sent from the institution admin side or from the teacher side, they are sending any announcement which is targeting the parent, in the sense that announcements can be viewed by you. And also here you can able to view the announcement which has been targeted the students also. so which has been targeted your kid, that particular announcement also you can able to view that here. So now let us move on to the calendar entry. So this is an academic calendar which can be created only from the institution admin side. So as a parent of a kid of this particular institution, you can able to create a calendar entry in a private purposes. So if you are going to create any private calendar entry in this sense, so that you can able to maintain your private calendar entry with the academic calendar entry here. And also here you have like notes option. As a parent of a kid, here you can able to create the personal notes where you can able to add new notes. In the sense, here you can able to add new notes, and also you can able to delete the notes. Also you can able to delete the notes here. By providing the proper tools and the channels, an education institution can have the parents well informed of their kids' strengths and weaknesses and learning, so that the parent can also be able to take the clear decision to assist their kids perform better. Therefore, get started with a free subscription today to experience how RankUpturn LMS uniquely helps the parents to understand their kids' learning needs and take the clear decision to help their kid to fill the learning gap effectively. RankUpturn LMS is completely built upon the idea of how to make every stakeholders of the institution work towards finding the better opportunities to help the students succeed in what they are learning in the classroom and curriculum. So I'd like to say RankUpturn is an comprehensive and most innovative platform for your traditional education institute to scale up digital transformation journey to find and fix performance gap in real time and to ensure their exceptional teaching and learning experience at all times. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution, provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provide the proper channel for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution, provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.